So good day ma'am, good day classmates. So my name is Julene Andrica. I am the first reporter. My topic is all about global migration. So what is global migration? So global migration is a complex phenomenon that tackles on a multiplicity, economic, social, security, and several aspects of affecting our daily lives and rapidly. So global migration is all about moving. This can be permanent or temporary on and voluntary. So we all know that many reasons why people migrate. First is family. Second is work opportunity. So you want to work abroad you to a better life. So last is the war. So you migrate because of war. So even if you don't have to move, but you can see have no choice. So mapilitan jud ta mag-migrate to another place tungod ana na situation. So we have 9 sustainable development goals. So first is goal 3 health. So migrant can be vulnerable to health risk. Migrant in their respective destination may not have access to health care. So ang health well-being is pinaka-importante jud ni para sa mga tao, especially kadtong mga tao nga mag-move to another places to any kind of reason. So like for example is kadto magtrabaho in abroad, so need jud nila i-consider nga okay lang health kay dili ba jud ka maka-abroad if dili okay mong health or nakay sakit. So mostly jud baya is dili jud malikayan ang na maka-encounter sila ana ng mga sakit. So ang health is dili lang pud ni para sa ato para pud ni sa tanan. Is goal for education. So student mobility opens more opportunities for youth developing countries to learn and study abroad. So we all know, sa most sa ato mga student is marapid nato mag-study abroad kaso lack of financial ta. So sa abroad is daghan dito opportunities or more advantage to enhance and improve batong knowledge. Like for example is ako gusto ko study abroad. It's about education. So through scholarship program is maka-eskwela ko dito. So pagkahuman ako dito eskwela is mabalik ko dito sa Philippines para diri ang tudlo or ma-share na ako akong knowledge o makatabang pod sa ato ang nation. This is goal 5 gender equality. Migrants, women and girls are vulnerable to human trafficking and gender-based violence, increasing participation and leadership of women with those the gender-based violence and inequalities. So need jud na pantay-pantay bitaw atong pag-treat sa isa ka tao, labi na sa ato ang mga babae karon kay feeling nila is kanang hina bitaw ang babae, dili nila kay i-depend sa ilang o galingon. So napod uban na i-take advantage nila ang kahinaan sa isa ka babae. Like for example, is si Lini is willing kaya siya mag-run or makilahok as a president. So tungod sa iyang gender is gina-underestimate sa uban na iyang kakayahan ay tungod kay strong lagi daw pag lalaki ang mag-serve sa atong nation. So dapat dili jud ta mag-base sa gender, dapat magtanaw pud ta sa capabilities sa usa ka tawo nga willing mag-serve sa ato ang nation. Kay dili lang pud na sa iyang pangkaugaling kagustuhan, kundi dili lang pud para sa kayuhan sa tanan. So 4 is goal 8 decent work. The importance of migrant, the global economy continues to flourish. Human and safe working conditions help enhance the impact of migrant development. So, mostly jud tanan sa ato is pangapjud nato in the future nga maayo nga trabaho. So, importante or makahelp ni siya para sa atong economy na mag-migrate ta aron ma-expand pang atong skills o knowledge na pwede nato ma-adapt or ma-implement sa atong mission. And also advantage siya para nato para maka-income ta og dako or makakuha ta og decent na trabaho. Fit jud para sa ato. Number 5 is Goal 11 Sustainable Cities. Migrant enable cities to thrive and become more vibrant, successful centers of economy and life. National and local governments are encouraged to include migration and migrant in their urban development planning and implementation. So importante na sa ang sustainable cities ang mga migrant people bitaw aron ma-build ang atong cities and also makahelp ni siya para ma-expand pa ilahang population o makakuha pa sila og new ideas and abilities to develop and expand their cities. Like for example is kanang lungsod sa Singapore. Lungsod sa Singapore, isa po na siya advantage sa ilaha is makaengganyo bitaw sa mga tao, migrant people na mag-anha. Kay tungod is nice ilahang cities in good feedback or outcomes para sa economy different culture. So number 6, goal 13, climate action. So dili jud malikayan nga magbago ang klima like anang baha, bagyo or tag-init. So need jud na ay climate action aron ma-prevent na safety o ma-sustain ang need sa mga tao, especially kadtong mag-migrate, mga migrant people. So, like for example, is tungod sa baha is nawalaan silang balay, nakuan ilang balay, need jud nila mag-migrate to another place. So, ang government is kuan po na sila tabang po na sila sa like mag-donate gani sila og mga needs sa mga tao. Number 7, Goal 16, Peaceful Societies. Preventing trafficking in person and providing support to trafficking survivors should be done while affording sustainable reintegration support effort eliminate all forms of violence against women and girls. So need jud ni para peaceful atong cities o para pod ma-stop ang mga wrongdoing sa mga trafficking people and also tagaan og support and effort ang katong mga tao gay naka-encounter ana case injustice and also mag-implement sila ana sa mga program para ma-avoid or aron ma-stop na ang tanan forms of violence against women. Number 8, Goal 17, Partnerships. Expanding of network among countries can help increase the capacity to deliver migrant services. So, importante ang partnership among countries aron ma-expand ang network and also mas paspas ang mga transaksyon. Isa ka services og mas makakuha ta og good quality and affordable kay through partnership dali ta maka-communicate to another nation. Number 9, Goal 10, Reduce Inequalities. Migration bring about the conglomeration of people, ideas, knowledge, practices, and culture. It is very integral that all countries involved avoid discrimination, inequality, and injustice due to these differences. So, it means the lessen the difference in opportunities, resources, and power between individuals and group within society. So, kinahanglan dato man or pobre, so dapat equal ang atong pag-treat, dapat respect natong ilang culture sa uban aron ma-avoid ang mga discrimination. We all know na lahi-lahi man jud tag culture ug mga beliefs, so dapat respect the other.
So, good day ma'am, good day classmate. I am Sherlyn Calvo and I am the second reporter of Global Migration. So, we will continue about migrants. So, what is migrants? So, according to the International Organization for Migrations, migrants is isa ni siya sa normal activity na ginahimo sa tao since nature nga sa ato na move from one place to another or locally or sa bisan asa nga lugar. For different purposes, migration can also be permanent or temporary or seasonal server nga nayuban na ay mag-migrate to another place tungod gusto mag-settle down, but naapod uban na mga immigrants na ni-migrate temporary to any kind of reason. So, any person who is moving or move across an international border or within a state away from his/her habitual place of residence regardless of. So, number 1 is the person legal status. So, the person legal status is mao ni siya nga mga migrant people na citizens na jud siya ana na lugar or legal na jud siya dira nga nagpuyo. There are two categories of migrants. First is labor. Ang labor is nag-move sila to another place tungod sa ilahang business matter. Naapod uban nag-migrate sila tungod kay na ay job opportunities or families matter or any kind of reasons. So second is forced migrants. Ang forced migrants is naapod uban is napilitan lang bitaw sila og move on to another place because any kind of reasons like for example tungod sa war nagbalhin sila tungod kay wala sila lain choice. So, drivers of migration. Drivers of migration are forces which lead to the inception of migration and to the perpetuation of movement. Massey et al. 1998. So, naagyoy mga tao nga need jud moadto sa ubang nisyon kay tungod dagko og mga sweldo. So, economic and demographic drivers. Economic opportunities, demographic and property, food and security prime influencers, and the migration decision-making process and interact to greater or lesser degrees depending on the specific context to driver migration. So, disaster opportunities may encourage for more but lack of property food security.
Okay, good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I am second reporter of William. Topic is all about environmental drivers. Environmental drivers, great numbers of countries identified as climate vulnerable threat to experience high rates of immigration, so it is critical to consider existing environment and climate-related evidence when analyzing current migration patterns and estimating future. Ah, ang example na is ang mga krisis nga hinimo sa tao mao ang mga panghitabo nga resulta sa aksyon o pagbag-o sa tao nga nagpahinambog hinungdanon nga nagdesisyon nga makadaot sa mga individual nga komunidad sa palibot. Muna example sa environmental drivers. Next is human-made crises. Human-made crises are among the primary not causes of migration and have an important impact on population movements. More generally, the lack of respect for international human rights and human naturalization and law has compounded growing displacement of many as consequence of their deteriorating living condition. Ang example po na ng human-made crisis is ang mga driver sa kalikapan mao ang mga hinungdan nga nag-impluwensya sa estado o dimalika sa usa ka ekosistema niya nahimo nga natural o giaghat nga tao. Muna sila ang muna example sa human made crisis. That's all.